Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the best strategy for Voidpet Dungeon, along with some useful tips and tricks that can help you progress faster and survive longer dungeon runs. If you want to consistently win battles and unlock stronger emotions, understanding how to manage your team and resources is extremely important. First, focus on building a balanced team. Many players make the mistake of only choosing their favorite pets, but the best strategy is to combine pets with different abilities. Try to include at least one pet with strong attack moves, one with defensive or healing abilities, and another that can apply status effects. This balance helps you handle different enemy types and prevents your team from getting wiped out during longer dungeon runs. Next, pay attention to energy and ability usage during battles. Instead of using your strongest move every turn, think about timing. Sometimes using a basic attack to save energy for a stronger ability in the next round can make a big difference. Enemies in later rooms become stronger, so conserving resources early in the dungeon can help you survive the tougher encounters. Another important tip is upgrading and evolving your void pets whenever possible. Stronger pets not only deal more damage, but also unlock better abilities that can completely change the outcome of battles. Try to collect resources regularly and use them to improve the pets you rely on the most. Focusing upgrades on a few core pets is usually more effective than spreading resources across too many. Exploration strategy also matters in Voidpet Dungeon. When moving through rooms, try to prioritize battles and reward rooms that offer useful upgrades or items. Sometimes you will see options that provide healing, buffs, or additional rewards. Choosing the right path can give your team the advantage before reaching tougher enemies or bosses. You should also learn enemy patterns. Many enemies have predictable attack styles or abilities. After a few battles, you will start noticing which enemies deal heavy damage, which ones apply debuffs, and which ones focus on defense. Once you understand their patterns, you can choose the right abilities at the right time to counter them effectively. Another helpful trick is managing health carefully. If your pets get too low on health early in the dungeon, it becomes much harder to finish the run. Whenever you find healing opportunities or support abilities, use them wisely so your team stays strong for the final stages. Finally, patience and experimentation are key. Voidpet Dungeon often rewards players who test different team combinations and strategies. If one setup is not working, try adjusting your pets, abilities, or path choices. Over time, you'll find a strategy that fits your playstyle and helps you clear dungeons more consistently. By focusing on balanced teams, smart ability usage, upgrades, and careful exploration, you can greatly improve your success rate and make your Voidpet dungeon runs much more efficient and rewarding. Subscribe the channel for more videos.